So this is one of the modules for Intro to Coding. It's on text and strings, and it starts with a video link to their first introduction to text in a program. And if the student clicks on the link, then it opens a tab to Khan Academy. Plays a video explaining the concept, and once the students have finished the video, they can also interact with the video as it goes. Once they finish the video, they can exit out the tab and go back to the module they were in on Canvas.
So you get done with the video that you have to watch from Khan Academy, then what happens?
Well, you would start practicing with what you've learned.
Yeah, and then
You would do a few...
like in this class there'd be a quiz sometimes after the video to see what you learned, and then there's sometimes challenges.
That just kind of ask you to practice the things that you learned in some way?
Like open it up.
Get you ready for the projects.
Yeah.
So once the students have finished a series of videos, challenges, and quizzes, all related to a similar topic, they have a project on that topic, and the project again is in Khan Academy.
I noticed you saying that you were kind of a little bit ahead of the game. Do you like that about this class, that you can kind of move at your own pace? Or?
It's a lot more self-paced. If you can move ahead, you move ahead. If you're a little bit slower than others, you can ask for help.
Right.
Still be that's slower pace.
It sounds like you guys spend a lot of time talking to each other about the way things, what works or what isn't working for you as you kind of move through the different projects.
It's not as traditional as other classes are when you learn. It's more...
It's like everyone is their own thing, and whenever we all like to show off what we do. And
right.
So.
What do you do for that? Oh, little baby fish. And he's like gone. Alright, what do we like about Andrews? You like seaweed. Oh, there's seaweed there.
That's awesome.
I like see how he did his seaweed differently, so we have two different ways of people doing seaweed.
So how many fish are being generated each time?
All like made of pods and it had like little circles and stuff on the seaweed. That's what he basically does.
So you thought, okay, I could draw a bunch of ovals and do it that way?
Yeah.
Anything else people like?
I like how the fish are random color.
How they're what?
How they're a random color.
Random color, it makes it interesting that way. You're not getting the same color over and over and over.
I like how when the fish kind of like appear, they're not just randomly across the screen. It kind of follows like a pattern. It starts at the left and ends up at the right.
Yeah, it kind of makes it look like the fish are swimming, right? Because it looks like it's like an up and down. Any feedback? Oh, so Johnson, this is the part I was telling you about right here. See this little blue bar?
Yeah, I was gonna say, what was
So
that?
he collapsed the function. So if I click on it, like click on it somewhere.
Look at the arrow where the arrow is.
Oh, there it is. Okay. Now it shows all the code that's actually in there. And all the pseudocode explains.
I might not be able to code myself, but I understand.
So the colors are different depending on the different mathematical equation you use with the different variables to make the colors. So the colors depend on like the crazy math that's going on here. And why is your tell them why your eyeball twitches?
Because the eyeball is dependent on the body size and the body height, and I made those random functions so you can make it look like there was more fish.
So the eye size is changing, right?
So as you move it around, you can see it's stationary, but like if you move it quickly up and down the screen, you can see that it actually is like one eye. It's just drawn a lot if you keep it in place.
Because it's redrawing that red fish over and over and over.